buy body lotion, body cream, body souffle, body butter or any of these for this winters, just stop here and watch this video, because I will be sharing what is the difference between all these and which one will quench the thirst of your dry skin and thirsty skin in these winters. So do watch the video, and then it will be a lot easier for you to take your decision and buy whatever will perfectly suit your skin. And at the same time, this video is not just about the differences between all these, but also the ingredients and what makes them different, and why we require so much of variations in spite of having one single thing, and all of that. So if you're interested, keep on watching the video till the end, because this video is not just like any other video. It's different and you can witness the difference. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Miss Harsha. My name is Harsha. I'm a professional makeup artist and an educator, an aromatherapist, a cosmetologist, a makeover, bridal and skin consultant, a fashion, beauty and lifestyle influencer as well. In this video, I will be exactly sharing all the details about what makes all these 3-4 categories of body moisturizers different and what will be best for you. So let's get started with the video. So let me tell you exactly what a body lotion is, and I will also share a little bit of the formulation aspect. So I'll not make it a boring science class or something like that, but a little bit is what I personally feel is desired for every individual and every consumer out there, because you know what, the more educated you are, the more aware you are about the formulations and ingredients, you can make a better choice for yourself, just the way you know what vitamins are there in which kind of fruit and which kind of vegetables. I personally feel, and I really do that extra thing for all my clients and students, that I go ahead and describe them the little bit of the formulation aspect, so that I can educate them and they become more aware, and the more they are aware, the better the chances are to get whatever you're actually looking for from each individual products. So let me talk about first the body lotion. So this is the body lotion which I use in summers. Right now I'm not using because the winters and the vibe of winter has started. So I have switched to body souffle, which I'll of course explain you later in the video. So right now talk about the body lotion. So this is the body lotion from Rose Belle. So what does a body lotion is made up of? Okay, so body lotion is basically the mixture of water and oil, where the ratio of water is approx 80 to 90%, and the oil and all the moisturizing properties are nearly about 10 to 15 or 20%. So as you guys can understand that it's more of water and less of oil. Hence, when you use a body lotion in winters, usually you end up applying it again and again, because your skin becomes dry after maybe a few hours, and you feel like, you know, your skin is so dry, so thirsty. You know what, even if you have a normal dry skin, still you will feel that, because winter is a season where a body lotion is not just enough. I know that mostly whenever the winter starts, people just go and buy a body lotion as a ritual, because they have done that since past and they are doing it now as well. Not everybody, but most of the cases. But after this video, I hope that you will understand what is exactly required for your body and your skin. So this is a body lotion, how it looks. So basically this is the consistency of a body lotion, which I guess most of you know already, and it's very, you know, kind of a watery texture. You know, little bit of oil you will feel, but a kind of a watery texture is there, and it very easily gets absorbed into your skin and moisturizes it to a certain extent, but it cannot moisturize your skin for a long period of time, especially in winters. So these are very good for summers. You can easily use these in summers. They keep you hydrated. They also prevent your skin from the sun damages and all that. So this is the body lotion. Now let me talk about body souffle. So as the term is very fancy enough and very exciting, let me explain you what is a body souffle. So basically a body souffle is kind of a body cream, not exactly a body cream. A body souffle is a fluffy light texture which has, you know, kind of a 50-50 ratio, or maybe like it's like more moisturizing than a body lotion, and it is perfect for people who stay in places where the winters are not very harsh and chilly and still they require a moisturizer, but a lotion is not enough, a body souffle is something which you need. And at the same time, this is very good for people who don't like any kind of highly moisturizing texture on their body. Okay, it will nourish your body, and at the same time it will be, you know, a very what I'll say, very comfortable nourishment it provides. That's what I can exactly term it as. And the label is missing because I have recently formulated this body souffle formulation, so labels are still in the designing process. But this is the texture I can show you. So this is the exact texture, which is a very creamy, fluffy texture. So now what you have to do, and this is how the souffle texture is, and how it can be used is you just have to apply this like this, okay, and you rub it off, and you know, it will just hydrate your skin in a very, very comfortable way. People who stay in, I'll not say that this is good for people who stay in hilly areas. For them it might work if they don't have too dry skin, they have a normal skin, then this is perfect. But normally I will suggest this is like just a better version of a body lotion, which is not a body lotion of course, but yes, it has more of oils and butters. And the formulation which I have formulated, I have put here shea butter, cocoa butter, kokum butter and all of that, and a lot of other oils like argan oil, jojoba oil and all of that. So this is like a nourishing food for people, especially if you are from Kolkata. The kind of winters we experience in Kolkata, and if you don't have extremely dry skin, this is for you. Okay, so this is the kind of formulation which you can actually buy for yourself. And if you now talk about you know, other like body creams, yes, they are also fine, but they are little below the body souffle thing. Okay, so basically the first one is body lotion, then body creams, then body souffle. Now let's talk about finally the body butter, which is you know, which is actually becoming famous recently. Not recently, of course, people are buying it, but you know, not everybody buys body butter. You know, majority buys body lotions, cream again very few, and body butter is something which is people consider as a luxury product, which is, you know what, yes, you can say it a luxury product, not in terms of just the money factor, but the texture, the exact quality which it delivers, the level of moisturization, and it just seals everything and it moisturizes deep inside. You know, it's just amazing. You know, the feel is again very luxurious of a body butter. Even the souffle is very nice, like I can't stop touching my hands right now. It's very good, and you know, you can see the shine on my hand, so you'll see that shine, and you know, it's non-sticky, it's so light, it has already gone into my skin and it's feeling very amazing. Okay, so when you talk about body butters, so there are two kinds of body butters available in the market. So if you talk about the brands which are really famous for body butters, like the Body Shop and, you know, Forest Essential and all of that, I haven't tried Forest Essential body butter, but I have tried the Body Shop's body butter. So they are not like a butter thing. Okay, so there are more of butter which looks like a body cream. Okay, so they have butters in that formulation, but not too much. So it's basically cream formulation having butters in it. Okay, and that's how the formulations are with them. So now that is also body butter because they call it a body butter, but exactly what is a body butter, I'll show you. So this is the body butter again from Rasbele. I use this, and lot of my clients use this, and you know, this is just amazing. So this is the body butter, and what is the exact texture. So you have to actually scrape it off like this. Okay, so right now because of the AC it has actually frozen a lot, so I'm just scraping it off like this. But you know, the butter texture is exactly very buttery, and you'll feel it like a butter. Okay, you will not feel that it is some kind of a cream. The texture is not like a cream. So this is the butter I have taken. This will actually melt because of my body temperature. So this is the butter I have taken, and see how beautiful it has melted. See, and it is very light, it is not sticky at all. See, there are body butter formulations which are quite sticky and you will not feel comfortable using them, but particular this formulation, It's amazing. Okay, it's really amazing, and if you can see, it has so well, you know, melted into my skin, and it is actually nourishing and moisturizing the skin. And today I forgot to apply body butter and or whatever body souffle. So yes, it is doing the job very nicely in the middle of the video. So yeah. So this, if you see, it has gone inside. Nothing is there. The kind of shine and nourishment you can see on my wrist. And it's just amazing, and it's not sticky at all. Okay, it's completely fine, and it's very hydrating, and you know, the feel is very luxurious. You will just, when you apply this, you will understand what I'm speaking about. So this was about the butters. So butters are basically, you know, body butters are basically a mixture of the quantity of butters used in it. Again, it depends on brand to brand, how much amount of, and again, of course, on the budget, what kind of price range they are quoting to the client. On the basis of that, they use the butter and all of that. But normally, this kind of butter is mostly composed of butters, waxes and oils. Okay, this is the combination of what I also formulate is waxes go here, and of course body butters like shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, all of that, and a lot of luxurious oils. So these are the blends which I blended together to make this body butter. When you talk about market body butters which look like creams, they are, yes, there is a water content. So basically in this one there is no water used at all. Okay, no water, no aloe vera gel, or no any kind of water extract. But in the body butters which you will find in the market which look like creams, yes, they have to use water, because otherwise they cannot get that texture and that kind of consistency. So this was all about the difference between the body lotion, body butter, body cream and body souffle. I hope the information was helpful for you. And if you talk about what kind of skin should go for what kind of creams, trust me, you know what, it's your body and you know better. Okay, and if you want a personal kind of consultancy with me to understand, and if you have any kind of discoloration and uneven over your body and a lot of dryness, even I have consulted people having psoriasis and eczema, and they are doing quite well right now. So if you have anything such like that, you can always contact me on the contact details given in the description box below, and that's my manager's number. She can fix up a meeting for us personally. And at the same time, if you talk about which skin should go for which kind of moisturizer, then I'll say, if you have a very normal skin and wherever you live you don't find like winters are just normal but not very chilly, you can go for body lotions. And at the same time, if you are staying in hilly areas or cities like Delhi, cities like other cities like which has really like the temperature is below 10 degree or sometimes goes minus, of course body butter is for you. Don't think about any other thing. And if you are a person who likes, you know, body moisturizers but you don't want any kind of heavy thing to be used, then of course body souffle is for you. So this was all about this video. If you want more such informations and you want to know, or you have some questions or queries, you can drop that in the comment section below. I would love to answer that. Till then, you can of course subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and like the video, and share with your friends and family members, because you know, this is the time when people will go and buy body butter, body lotions. Why not make their money invest in something which is worth having and worth using? Okay, a product which you will actually enjoy using as well. So yeah, this was all of the video. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle. So this is my Instagram handle where you can actually follow me, and I share a lot of fashion, beauty, lifestyle related content over there, and all the updates of my upcoming videos goes there on my Insta story. So you can follow me there if you don't want to miss on any other updates and you don't want to miss the reminders which I give on my stories, so that you can actually stay connected with me on YouTube on a regular basis. And yes, this was all about the video. Till then, stay happy, stay beautiful.